I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Mitsubishi Mirage headlights. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Next, park your Mitsubishi Mirage on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Finally, ensure your tire pressure is correct for accurate headlight alignment before you begin. Now, let's prepare for the adjustment. Measure exactly 25 feet from the wall to the front of your Mitsubishi Mirage. Then, mark the center of each headlight on the wall using painter's tape. This creates a reference point for your beam. Finally, locate the vertical and horizontal adjustment screws on the back of your headlight assembly. These are crucial for precise aiming. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust the beams. Turn the vertical adjustment screw to raise or lower the headlight beam. For optimal visibility, aim the top of the low beam cutoff line to be 2 inches below the marks you made on the wall. If necessary, use the horizontal adjustment screw to center the beam for proper road coverage. After adjusting, perform some final checks. Test your headlights on a dark, level road to ensure proper illumination and avoid blinding oncoming drivers. Remember to avoid over-tightening the adjustment screws, as this can cause damage to the headlight assembly. If you are unsure at any point, consider seeking professional assistance for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.